In this video, let me show you how to send e-invoice with attachments. Before you send an e-invoice to a customer, you will need to configure the settings. To set up, go to Contacts, select Contacts List. Then, select an existing customer or create a new customer. Next, input the UEN number in the customer details. If this customer registered its UEN for e-invoice, the PEPL ID will automatically appear. You don't need to fill up the PEPL ID manually as Financio is linked to the PEPL directory. Then, switch the Send and Receive Invoice Now toggle button to Yes, and click Save when done. That's it, you can now proceed to the next step. Next, go to Sales. Click Create New, then click Invoice. Select the relevant customer. Fill up the reference field and the contact address too. Scroll down, click on Add New and proceed to fill in the other sales transaction details. To add an attachment, scroll down to the File section. Click and upload the documents. Next, switch the Send Attachment via Invoice Now toggle button to Yes and click Save when done. Back to the invoice main screen. Click Save again to send the e-invoice with attachment. To check on the e-invoice status, go to Sales, click on Sales List. Select the relevant invoice and click View. The Invoice Now status is reflected here. If the status shows successful, it means the e-invoice is sent successfully. That's it. That's how easy for your business to go green with the e-invoice feature. Thank you for watching our video.